Now to breaking news in Grand Valley State University laying out some plans for a massive expansion near the Medical Mile, and we were the only station to bring you this announcement live at 5 o'clock. Right now, 24-hour News 8's Joe LaFurge is breaking down the plan.
Yeah, first of all, Brian, I want to show you where we're at. We're in the Cook DeVos Health Services Center here in the Grand Valley. A portion of their downtown campus located on the Medical Mile. Check this out. We're in the lab that assesses patients. If you want to be a physician's assistant, a nurse, any number of jobs short of being a doctor in the medical field, this is one of the rooms you're going to spend a lot of time with these fake patients, trying to figure out what's wrong with them and how to treat them. Here's the problem. They built this building in 2003, and by 2008, 2009, it was full already, and it just keeps expanding. These programs, you've seen us do stories before on this about the future of medicine here in Grand Rapids. Well, that's causing Grand Valley State University to jump north across I-196. Joining me now, Matt McLogan, Vice President with Grand Valley. Matt, tell us about this expansion and what you're talking about.
Joe, the Medical Mile has been transformative for Grand Rapids as a healthcare destination, with the medical school, Grand Valley doing the professional school, VAI, Spectrum, Mary Free Bed, St. Mary's, all in close proximity. We're out of room. And all of those entities need more of our graduates. And so we think that the property purchase that will be before our board tomorrow will be just as transformative for Grand Valley as the Medical Mile has been transformative for Grand Rapids.
Okay, give me an idea of the neighborhoods where you're going over there and what's going to happen there.
1 block north of the Cook DeVos Center for Health Sciences, where we are now, the block bordered by Lafayette, Hastings, and College. We will ask our board tomorrow to acquire most of that, and we will use that for the next probably 50 years to ensure that Grand Valley has adequate capacity to admit and educate the students who want the degrees that we offer. Many of those students we are not able to accommodate now because, as you pointed out, this building is full.
That's a 50-year plan. You had a 20-year plan here. You're pretty sure that's going to take care of what you need?
Well, we sure hope so. You know, my predecessors and President Lubbers and the folks before him made sure that Grand Valley always had land available for expansion when employers in our region want more of our graduates. And so we want to make sure, both for the present and for the future, that the folks who succeed us at Grand Valley will have that option available for them as well.
Okay, thanks, Matt McLogan. Just quick note on this, about $19 million price tag, no tuition hike because of it. They've already got the money saved up. As far as the people that live there, they've got at least a couple of years before Grand Valley starts deciding what to do with it, so they will stay. Grand Valley is going to be talking to them over the next couple of days as well. Live in Grand Rapids, Joe LaFurge, 24-hour News 8.
All right, Joe, thank you. When we're staying on top of this one tonight, we'll find out what it means for the university and that neighborhood and West Michigan as a whole. Look for team coverage tonight at 10 and 11 on 24-hour News 8.